going on, you guys? Presidential Gaming 2020 here, and we have a brand new announcement this time. Now, as of you know, what are your what's inside ideas? Again, what are your what's inside ideas? Let me know in the comments down below. There's also a quick reminder about the snow movie one. We're going to have to cancel that. This is because the distance learning continues through February 4th, 2021. And we're going to move on to a different movie video, like the private property discovery video. Anyways, that is all I wanted to say. Thank you all for watching, everyone. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. If you haven't, please do so now. And also, follow me on Storyfire if you haven't yet. And also, the quick reminder about the snow movie. That movie will be cancelled due to the virus, or eventually the distance learning through February 4th. We're going to move on to private property discovery movie. And also, thank you and goodbye.